Yo guys, welcome to another video. I posted a video like 2 months ago or 3, I don't know. So it's time to update my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, I will break down my trade, the trade that I took today, and I will talk about the strategy with you guys a bit. And yeah guys, let's go to the chart. And yeah, as you know, if you are new to the strategy, I think you will understand the strategy because it's very simple. But if you are familiar with my strategy, you will like understand right now, after I break down the trade, how I caught this trade. So let's go to the 4-hour, and I created here an indicator that mark all my 4-hour zones. Let me change the colors. Let me put like this. Yeah, as you can see guys, you see, mark like all correct. Okay, I don't need to mark them anymore because this indicator is showing all the 4-hour zones. As you can see, bearish bullish, body to wick, bullish bearish, body to wick. This wick is inside this wick, this wick is inside this wick, this wick is inside this one is inside this one. So from this body to this wick, body to wick, body to this wick, because this wick is inside this wick, body to wick, body to this wick. So you know, you with this indicator, you will always have the same zones as me. Okay, you never go wrong again after this indicator because it's showing like perfectly. Okay, if I zoom out, you see all the zones is marked. Okay, and if you go to the 5 minutes, you see the zones here. I go to the 4-hour, let's go to the 5. See, so yeah guys, this indicator will save you a lot when you are confused about the 4-hour zones. Okay, I'm trying to update this to mark the 5 minutes too, but it's a bit more hard. And you guys know I am not like a professional coder or something like that, software coder, or I just made it like with the AI help. So but for you guys to create an indicator like this is more difficult because you need to explain step by step the strategy to AI to understand it and make the indicator. And I can say to you guys, was like so hard to make it. But yeah, now it's working so perfectly. You don't need to mark them anymore. Okay. Okay, let's go to the 5 because we have the 4-hour zones already. On the 5, I need the 50 SMA, as you guys know, and I need to mark the 5 a.m. as always. Okay, is my first step after marking the 4-hour zones. So I mark a vertical line on 5 a.m. my time. Let me change to New York time. Is midnight, okay? Midnight EST. And yeah, now below the moving average, we are looking for supports to break and retest for sells, okay? Above the SMA, we are looking for buys, resistance that are broken, and we take the retest for buys. In this case, price was the full session below the SMA, like respecting a lot. As you can see here, the NSI open, you see the rejection from the 50 SMA. This is amazing, okay guys, because yeah, you are below, you are looking for sales. It's like a filter. Now the zones that we need to mark, we have a bearish bullish here. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, like this. Sorry guys. Yeah, line. Yeah, as you can see guys, bearish bullish, and this one I will not mark. Why? Because it's too near to the 4 hours, so have no enough room to the TP. Okay, so let's go to the chart, and what we have here, we have 9:30. I marked this resistance here because it's a bullish bearish. This is inside this one. Okay, and this is not recent. This is from created by the New York Open. So price is basically rejecting this resistance and the SMA. But I was with the idea of price going up, retesting the SMA and the zone, and just go. Okay, like this. But price failed to close above the SMA, so we still bearish. And as soon as this candle here closed below this support, because the closure is like too near to the level, I refine it to this here, okay? Just to have like a bit more room for the top wick of this candle. So I set my limit here on this refined zone. I use fixed 30 pips SL, 30 pips TP, and I got my 1 hour here, okay? As you can see, was a bit scary because the trade was retesting, okay, melted like so near to my TP like this. How many pips was far from my TP? Like three points and something, okay, like 3 pips. And after that, price went above again, huge drawdown, next melted again and closed like this, and the new 15-minute candle just melted, boom, dropped like crazy, okay, and hit my TP. Now what I need to talk with you guys is the strategy on March was crazy. I never saw like a price action like that, and I am trading like for, I can say, 6 years, and I never saw a price action like that. And I'm glad that I am not the only one that struggled a lot in March this year, okay? Because the March from previous year was good. But I saw on socials many traders, they were like talking this is like cheap price action. I never saw like a price action like that. So for me it was like more comfortable. No, that is not a problem of my strategy, but was like in general. So yeah, I handed the March in negative. The January was very good, like I think was like 8%. February was near to 8 again. But March was negative, and I never saw like was like the opposite, because guys, you guys know from my what I share from my journals is always like many greens and just a few reds, and the March was the opposite, was like many reds and just a few greens, and I shared the end of the month on my socials like the X and YouTube. You guys can check my trades there. But was a very hard and emotional month, as I can say, because when you guys are trading the same strategy for 3 years and never saw a price action like that, the months are like very similar. Sometimes I can have a negative amount, but it's like what, -2, -3, something like that, very small, near to break even. And some months can be a break even or just a few in profit, but most of them are like more than 5%, like 7, 8. Sometimes I get a 10, 12 months. But this March was crazy, guys. If the March was basically that month that make you quit like trading or jam strategies. And guys, I can, to be honest, while I was like losing that month, I was trying like other strategies to check if just mine that is like so bad that month. But guys, every strategy that I tested was like a mess, you know. In general, March, because of the war and the oil and this crazy stuff, the price action was horrible. Now, I could be more in positive this month of April, like with the 3 or 4 win streaks, but because we have like PMI news and yeah, I think was an FP day or something like that, that I missed like 2 wins. So yeah, maybe April the price action is like returning back to normal. But as you can see here, before my entry, we had a huge consolidation. You see? This huge consolidation here. This is trash price action. Okay? Manipulating above is like was like just sweeping above, sweeping below, sweeping below, sweeping above, and finally, after my entry, price finally just dropped like crazy, crazy. Okay? So this is just an update for you guys to know the update of the strategy. Is not update in terms of rules because the rules are the same. I just implemented this more filter here with the refinement. You can learn more about these refinement zones on my Discord. I have webinars talking about it. I have my course too. I updated all the videos on my course. Okay, I made like a all fresh. You go to the course and you have like step by step all the videos like explaining in detail every step of the strategy. Okay, so the crazy was very clean. If you guys want to trade with us at like every single day on here on Discord, you can join to my Discord, and as you can see the guys took like the same trade as me. This is we trade like every day here together. So imagine you have like doubts about the strategy, or you want to have a community to talk every day, share ideas. This is the perfect community to join because we are like just a few members. It's like a family, okay? And you guys can see like TP, and yeah, TP enroll with trust. TP is boring, yeah, because we are after the bad month. We are no emotions when you have an SL or TP. Just execute the plan. And we have a very interesting here a channel on my Discord that is about the strategies lab. What we do here, we test many strategies. Okay, if you have like an idea that you need help with other members to improve your strategy, or you have an idea to bring here for us to together to try to improve the strategy, this is the perfect channel here. Kevin here is like one of the best students that I have, if not the best. And as you can see here, he is testing the 2R and 2 and 1R with this new stuff that we are like testing, but never changing the main strategy. The main strategy is for you to use like every single day and not jump. But it's good to have like buy side, like other strategies like 2 3 max to use in other different accounts, because when one is bad the other one can be good. Okay, so yeah, we share like every day here certificates, like the channels. When a strategy is approved, I create a channel for that. So yeah, I sometimes I put like homework here. I have the trading journal, webinars are here. So guys, I don't know, if you want to trade alone, yeah, YouTube videos are perfect to learn this strategy because I talk about basically everything. But if you want to more refinements about the strategy, you will just learn on the course or in the Discord. Okay, the course is very in detail. I can say the roadmap is buy the course, learn the strategy like a step-by-step video because it's much more in detail than YouTube videos. And after that, if you want to trade with the group, join us, ask me questions, and yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. The strategy is very simple. It's always the same. And yes, you guys, don't forget to follow me on X, YouTube, on Instagram, because I share there every single day my trades and what is happening. I'm very active there, okay? So yeah, guys, don't forget to follow and put the like in the video because it will help me. And if you enjoy the video, just comment or ask something or talk bad things about me. I don't know, just comment. I'm open to all the comments. So see you guys.